Ever imagined a smoothie that hydrates, nourishes, helps with weight loss, and keeps you cool during the summer heat? Then you're gonna love this avocado and mint recipe. It's surprisingly refreshing and so good for you. Hey, I'm Megan, and today I'm sharing one of my favorite summer smoothies. It's creamy, super fresh, packed with nutrients, and there's even a bonus version that turns into a healthy ice cream. Yep, really. Stick around till the end because I'll show you how to turn this drink into a guilt-free frozen dessert that's perfect for hot days. What you'll need: 1 ripe medium avocado, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 cup plain low-fat yogurt, a handful of fresh mint leaves, chop a few drops of stevia or your favorite natural sweetener, optional. How to make it: add everything to a blender and blend until it's silky smooth and light green. Pour into a glass, serve chilled, and for that extra refreshing kick, toss in a few ice cubes. Just pour the creamy mixture into popsicle molds or a small container and freeze for a few hours. It turns into a cool, creamy treat that's 100% guilt-free. Want to switch up the flavor? Replace the lemon and mint with 1 teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. You'll get a chocolate avocado cream that tastes like dessert but fuels your body right. It's so good. And if you loved this refreshing recipe, check the first pinned comment. I've got a free ebook waiting for you with more cool, healthy snack ideas for summer. All natural, all easy. If this sounds like your kind of summer treat, go ahead and give this video a like, share it with someone who's into clean eating, and let me know in the comments, are you team mint or team cocoa? And of course, hit that subscribe button. I've got a brand new recipe coming every week to help you eat better without overthinking it. See you in the next video, and take care out there.